Bitcoin makes a shockingly big power thrust to the upside to reclaim price levels not seen in nearly 3 weeks. Ethereum as well initiates rumpage mode and scoots to new all-time highs, once again putting crypto at its most valuable price valuations ever. They say don't count your turkeys until they hatch. Well, you don't want to know what I do to my turkeys. I'm your host, Nathan Nutt. And overnight, things got downright sloppy and disgusting. And I'm not even talking about Bitcoin. Bing bong, but now what does this mean is for nearly 4 weeks, Bitcoin has held the line at 60K. Is this the power pump to get us to 98,000 before the end of the month, as many people are predicting that we need? Or in fact, is this something much, much bigger? These absolutely time-sensitive alerts as well. If you guys are interested in any bonuses, protecting your crypto, or joining our pool to earn rewards, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. And without any further ado, let's pump on in. Dump on me once, shame on you. Dump on me twice, at least buy me dinner first. Am I right? Absolutely so big. So guys, overnight we also saw Ethereum back in price discovery as it created a new all-time high as Bitcoin came within inches. And this massive multi-$1,000 move in just minutes, we're going to be talking about in a second for Bitcoin. But Ethereum continues to set new all-time highs ever so slightly. It's been very, very slow over the past 2 to 3 weeks, but Ethereum is making moves. And pretty much every single day for the past few weeks, the entire cryptocurrency market cap has been hitting new all-time highs. Again, it's very slow, but we're seeing that momentum slowly curve and build and look less and less like any sort of mega bearish scenario that a couple of weeks ago people would have you believe. Okay, it just doesn't make any sense. This is going in one specific direction here. So the second largest crypto crossed $4,700 yesterday for the very first time in history. Ethereum rose about 3% in the past 24 hours to claim $4,770 for the first time ever, as Bitcoin also reclaimed 66. Currently, we're a little bit below that, but there's a lot of things going on in these charts that we're going to be jumping into. But let's actually take a look first at this is the entire cryptocurrency market cap. And as you can see, right now, we're at all-time highs for the entire crypto market cap. And if we go to the entire altcoin market cap, same exact thing here. Okay. And again, whether a lot of people draw this two different ways, whether it's some sort of mega bullish, insane cup and handle that is now breaking out, or just like this was a longer symmetrical ascending triangle that is now also breaking out. Either way, no matter how you draw this on a lot of different charts, we're in the middle of the breakout right now. And as this breakout progresses, it gets stronger and bigger and faster as the breakout continues. But this is still the very beginning. So again, this I firmly believe is the very last giant last wave of this run. And by far the most exciting as well, and by far the most gainers as well. But yeah, if we take a look at Ethereum, as I'm recording, yeah, I fully believe we'll probably set even more all-time highs in just moments here. But this ascending triangle for Ethereum has been coming for months. This is about a 5 or 6 month long ascending triangle, and it is breaking out just now. So this is not the time to be bearish on Ethereum. And it's not the time to be bearish on altcoins. For example, we've been talking about ADA. It's not necessarily in the most, it doesn't look like a very bullish consolidation at all. In fact, it looks kind of bearish. However, guys, with the current sentiment of the market, which is way more important than a single coin's analysis, when things start lifting off, coins like ADA, which don't look to be in a very bullish position, they're most likely going to start breaking up, okay? Because that's the power of specifically the end of a bull cycle, the final wave. It overtakes everything. That trend and that momentum is stronger than any individual coin analysis, okay? It's a very powerful trend we're seeing on this macro cryptocurrency environment right now, led by Bitcoin and Ethereum. And altcoins will succeed with everything else. So all around winners and gainers incoming. And as well, with this most recent move, as you can see in this 6 hour, or this chart here on the 6 hour chart, you can see as soon as we broke this hardline level of resistance right around 62, we've been flip-flopping a little under and a little above 62. So up to about 64 and down to about 60K was kind of that range we've been trading in. And now once we concretely flipped this, after battling it consistently for almost an entire month, you can see that here. This hard line right here, also a key fettuccine resistance, we've now broken back to the upside here. Now, obviously, the key is breaking and setting a new all-time high, which would be only less than $1,000 than where we currently are, so we're right there. But after this last few weeks of consolidation around this range, most impressively holding 60K, again, I think it's very likely that we're going to be seeing some new all-time highs for Bitcoin as well. I mean, and as I'm recording, Ethereum's basically at its highest point that it's ever been. Okay, so just very key to watch there. I mean, look at this weekly chart as well. My good golly, we've had 3 weeks consolidating right at about 60K. And then in the final moments of this weekly candle, just hours ago, we got a very nice move to end up closing actually above 62K. And it even looks, potentially, we closed above 63K. That's a very good reversal and a very good confirmation here. And again, what I expect and what a lot of people with way more experience than me expect over these next few weeks is something like this, okay? And that's absolutely what I believe we're going to be seeing. We're going to start seeing $10,000 plus candles for Bitcoin. We've already seen $10,000 plus candles granted to the dumpy side and to the pumpy side, but it's going to be commonplace over these next few weeks. And the momentum is just very strong here. We look on all these charts. This consolidation we've seen at 60K, incredibly boring, but I cannot stress how important it is. It's very good. It's incredibly boring. It's not what a lot of us want to see waking up every day and looking at a chart like this. However, this type of price action is exactly what can help us and give us the juice to start absolutely pumping. And again, the next key fettuccine right here, even on the 6 hour, it's right underneath 70K. It's a couple $100 below 70, but let's be honest, 70K is going to be that big level. 70K is the level to watch. We've gotten very close, and now over the next few days, over this week specifically, the key test will just be setting another new all-time high for Bitcoin and breaking 70,000 US dollars, at which point the brakes will be let go and the juice will be set loose. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, turn these to miss these absolutely time-sensitive alerts as well. If you guys are interested in any bonuses, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. That's how you feeling, Magoo. That's it for me.